Hi, Albert here. Now today's video is going to be very interesting. This is for piano players and those who are starting out to play piano. There is actually this website that gives you all the progressions you need to most of the songs that we listen to. I'm going to show you this website just in a bit. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, this website is going to blow your mind. So I get to Chrome and I type worshipchords.net. Okay, I've put this link down there in the description. Now this is the site. Okay, the very first one. Over here you can get all the music progressions that you want. Okay, so let's try something out. So you can actually search for the songs and you can search for the artist. Okay, so let's go with Don Moen. I love him so much. M-O-E-N. So that's Don Moen. Let's check up on some of his top songs here. So let's choose Arise. Now before you can use this website very smoothly, you have to sign up. Okay, I've already signed up and I'm logged in. So there's my profile here at the top. So you can actually see, let's check my profile. So there's my profile. You can see I'm logged in with my email right here. So let's go back to our song. Now you see where you have the E, you can transpose the key there. So this chart you see right here is in E, it's in the key of E. And so for example, I can't play E. Okay, as in when I play the keyboard, I can play C. C is the only key I can play. Okay, so you hit on the E and change to the key you are going to be playing in. Okay, so C. All right, once I do that, you see the key has been changed to C. Now if you scroll down here, these are for guitar. All right, and we are playing piano. So we come to the three dots on the top right corner of the website, hit that one, and then you can see guitar chords, you can see ukulele, you can see baritone, and then piano, bass, simplify, all those things. We are going to change to piano. We are going to check the piano box. So we check that box and then it will refresh the site. So you have to go back and choose the key again. So I'm transposing to C. You can see all the keys here: E flat, D, D flat, C, B, B flat, A flat, and G flat. Okay, so I'm going to choose C. All right, and you see the key has been changed to C. So the song is Arise by Don Moen. And just as we know how, if you know how to sing the song already, you can just try it. So let's try it out. Okay, so this is the chart. Let me put it right here. And then let's try it out. So C, it says you should play the C chord and then the G chord. That's for the first line. If you don't know the C chord, you can just scroll down here and you see they've given you the charts. So C chord is what? C, the 1, the 3, and the 5. Okay, so C, E, G. All right, so that gives me the C chord. All right, right here. Now when you get this, if you are a beginner, like fresh beginner, you just have to do it like the way the chat is telling you. But because I'm a bit, I can play something small, so I can just invent the chord, okay, and play it this way. All right, then the next is the G chord. So this is my G chord. All right, I'm just trying to learn the chord first. Okay, and then I have B flat 6, and then this is it. Okay, and then I have the F chord. This is the F chord, and I have the A major 7th, and that's right here. Okay, and I have my F sus2 right here, and then I have G sus2. Okay, and then I have C5, and then this is it. Okay, so now you get to learn the chords in this chart. You can come to the song and then let's start playing. Okay, it has given us the intro, but let's skip that one for now and then just get into the verse. So it says, one thing we ask of you, one thing that we desire, as we worship you. Lord, come and change our lives. As simple as that. Look, when I was starting out, this website really helped me. It did not just make me know how to play the songs, but it also introduced me to a lot of chords. I didn't know, something like the B flat 6 chord. This one I didn't know, and so it introduced me to it, and then with the help of my ear, I was able to apply it in other songs and all, and it really helped me. So keyboard players out there who are starting out, I want you to get onto this website and then just have fun. Okay, so let's go again. So I'm just going to play through. It says, one thing we ask of you, one thing that we desire, that as we worship you, Lord, come and change our lives. Alright, so let's get the coda. So it says, arise, 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 take your place, be enthroned. Alright, as we sing, arise, King of Kings, Holy God, as we sing, arise, arise. Alright, that's all to it. Okay, so let's get to another song. Alright, so this time let's check. Okay, let's play something on Chris Tomlin. Okay, so Chris Tomlin. Okay, so let's just tap it, the very first one right there. And which of his songs do I know? Here? So alright, so let's do How Great Is Our God. Okay, How Great Is Our God. And like I already said, this is in the key of G. So if you can play all keys, you just start playing your G. So the first is a G chord, and then E minor 7th chord you play, and then you continue that way. But I can only play C, so I just come here. Let's check whether, okay, so it's in guitar, so you come here again, and then we change to piano. So this is not only for piano players, it's for guitar players, baritone players, and all those people. Okay, so piano right here, Chris Tomlin, How Great Is Our God. So let's change to the key of C. Alright, so it's transposed now. Oops, sorry, don't mind the transpose on my piano. Okay, don't worry, don't mind that one. Alright, so let's go. So How Great Is Our God. Now if you are playing and you don't want to be scrolling through like maybe you get confused or something, you can just hit this blue play thing and it will start scrolling by itself for you. Okay, so you watch and then you play as it scrolls. The splendor of the King, clothed in majesty. I don't know how to sing very well. Okay, so let's just bear with me. Let all the earth rejoice. Let all the earth rejoice. He wrapped himself in light, and darkness tries to hide, and trembles at his voice, and trembled at his voice. How great is our God? Sing with me, how great is our God? Always sing, how great is our God. Alright, so you get to the verse 2, and then you can play on and on and on and on and on. Guys, look, when I was starting out on playing this piano, like I said, this website really helped me. It really helped me. There are other websites like this, but you have to pay. okay, before they give you these charts. But this website is absolutely free. worshipchords.net. It's absolutely free. Now let me give you one interesting thing. Another interesting thing is that you see this chart here. I've transposed it to C, to the key I can play. I can actually download the chart. Let me choose another. What else? So now, okay, we've searched for artists. Now let's search for the songs. So What a Beautiful Name It Is by Hillsong. And so this is in the key of D. Like I already said, I can only play C. Let's get the piano chords first. Let's put it on piano. So piano, and then let's transpose to the key of C. All right. So now the chart is now for C. All right. So let's download it. Come to the 3 dashes on the upper right corner. Then where you have print this song, you just tap it, and then you close this button. And you see where you have this paper thing. Yes, just hit on that one, and then you can save as PDF. If you are using your phone, if you are using your laptop, you can just save as well. So you see I'm saving as PDF right here with the piano chart. Okay, so I can just download it here. It's asking me for the location. Let me just create a new folder for this and save sheets. Okay, so I've created this, and then I'll put it here. All right, so I can just go into my file manager, internal storage, sheets, and then here it is. Without internet, it's opening. Even without my internet, I can still play like this. Okay, so you were at the beginning, one with Lord, the Lord Most High. Alright, so you can continue playing like that. Get on the website, guys. This is amazing. I know you are amazed, and trust me, with this you can play as many songs as you want, and this will open your mind to a lot of songs and a lot of chords, and trust me, this will help you. Ta-da! See what I told you? Thank you very much for sticking with me to the end of this video, and I know you are happy by now. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video is actually relevant to you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, because there's more coming up. If you don't want to miss out, just hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next video.